मुझे क्या दबा सकेगा कोई जुल्मतों का पाला। मेरे हाथ में कलम है, मेरे ज़हन में उजाला, मुझे क्या दबा सकेगा कोई जुल्मतों का पाला। मुझे फिक्र अमरे आलम, तुझे अपनी जान का गम, मैं तलू हो रहा हूँ तू गरूर होने वाला, क्योंकि तालीम सिखाती है जीने का सलीका। Education means helping people to learn how to do things. It also encourages us to learn more and more. It plays an important role in everyone's life. It provides us knowledge, learning and skill. We must give importance to the education. That other target is in life. It should be our first goal of life. It is only source of real happiness. We are told about the importance of education from early childhood. Better education is very necessary for us to get success. It develops confidence for us building personality of a person. Our education decides that which type of a person we will be in the future. Education creates many ways to go ahead in the future. It makes us strong mentally and socially. It is an important tool that is used to mitigate of the challenges. Every student is supposed to get a skill and knowledge. Thank you very so much.
मुअज़्ज़िज़ीन, मुअज़्ज़िज़ हज़रात।